In the event that you want to go ahead and utilize some of the storage off of your installation disk or from another disk that is being used by Openfiler, there is a slight caveat. We'll notice here that if we attempt to do exactly the same thing for the SDA disk that we did for the SDB disk and create an extra partition, that nothing is going to happen. As you can see, we define the partition, we hit the create button just like we did with the SDB disk, but yet the partition didn't show up. And the reason for that is that for some reason with Openfiler, the starting cylinder needs to be at least 80 after the ending cylinder on the previous partition. So here we see the very last partition is written to cylinder 1213. And although normally we should be able to start a new partition on cylinder 1214, that is not the case. If we were to bump this up to, let's say, 1300, which exceeds that 80 cylinder threshold that I was talking about, and then attempt to go ahead and create a partition, now you'll see that the partition has been defined. So just a little trick to note if you're ever in a situation where Openfiler has a partition on a disk, it's trying to do something with that disk and it won't let you create a new partition even though there's available space. It could be because the starting cylinder that you've defined is actually too close to the ending cylinder of a partition that Openfiler is using.